Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are mudding some vases and we're getting that restoration hardware look for less. These are said vases. I got these for $10 a piece at my local thrift store, and we're going to show a technique that I did not invent. I saw other people do it on Pinterest and on YouTube, and I'm going to try to recreate the look. So it's a good way to revamp these ugly colored vases and give them a whole new look. I love these vases because of their shape and their style. Here, I'll hold up one. They're super heavy. So this vase has a bunch of like really cool texture that I'm going to paint it black, and I'm going to put some dirt all around it, and it's going to come out really great. So I'll show you when it's done. All right, we have our vases. I have a matte black spray paint. Then I have some flat clear coat to seal everything in. Okay, future me. You'll see I accidentally used the wrong spray paint for one part. I fixed it all. So I had bought white when I had meant to get clear. So crisis averted. I'm sure I'll use the white spray paint in the future, but just so you know, it's supposed to look like this, clear. Some gloves and then dirt for the mudding. So let's get started. All right, and now we're gonna do the sides that I missed. So because the color underneath is like pink and blue, I don't want any of that to show through. So I'm just making sure that's covered. I think the mudding would cover it, but just to be sure. All right, and we'll let that dry for a little bit more. All right, after the mishap with the wrong spray paint yesterday, I now have the correct one, which is clear matte. So we're gonna give these a spray, and then we'll let them dry a little bit, and we'll do the dirt again. I'm so pleased with how these vases turned out, and if you want to get the restoration hardware vase look for less, definitely try out this method, and I think you'll be really pleased with the results. So anyhow, catch you in my next video.